Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the fairy tale oracle. So that will be a general guidance, guys. So it may answer some situation we have in our life. So this is your fairy tale oracle card. So that may answer some doubts or some confusions you have about your situation, guys. So let's start with the general reading first. We have Queen of Pentacles in reverse, the Lovers in reverse, and Chariot in reverse. So, in your situation today, guys, Sagittarius, you have some kind of doubts or suspicion on someone. Maybe there is someone working against you in your career, or maybe someone from your friend circle, family. You feel you cannot trust them, guys, and you are facing some delays, some kind of suspensions. It may be some project failures or something not going up to expectation, guys, some kind of troubles. And also for some of you, you are having some arguments or some fights with someone. Maybe it may be with this person you love, or it may be some misunderstanding in your work situation. So worries and troubles because of that, Sagittarius. And I also see that maybe for some of you, you are getting involved in some kind of a lawsuit or a litigation today, guys. So you need to try to avoid such situations, Sagittarius, today. So better be in the sidelines. Don't go for any kind of arguments or some your situation may worry you, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for your general energy, guys, Sagittarius. So again, these energies, it may relate to your work situation or your personal life, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have the High Priestess. So with this card, it just means that some kind of secret is being revealed to you today. Maybe you would have had some doubts about this person, and maybe for some of you, your doubts are proved right today. That may be the reason for worry and stress. Maybe you would have heard something about this person, maybe like a gossip or a rumor, and you never would have believed that. And today, this person is coming out with the truth. They are revealing about themselves. Today, that has come as a huge shock for you, maybe for some of you, or maybe for some of you, it may even be otherwise, guys. Maybe you had some doubts about this person and they are telling you the truth. Maybe they were holding it back from you as a secret, but they are coming out with the truth, telling you what really happened, and you are happy that it has cleared your mind. Maybe even if it is some kind of a bad secret, this person is showing their heart to you. So you need to understand that they are truly concerned about you, and they trust you, and they love you. That is the reason they are coming out with truth. So uh, even if it is something that is worrying you guys, the secret, you have to have this understanding. It is love that has brought this openness in this person towards you, Sagittarius. So that is what I see uh, with this card, guys, for your relationship. So for your career situation, we have Page of Wands. So it just means that in your career, you are seeing positive changes, a great growth in your life, and some good news is coming towards you, maybe in your career situation. Some favorable changes, positive changes are happening. So, something which you never expected, but it is happening today, guys, Sagittarius. You can be happy for that. So, that is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, guys. So, let's see what is the card for your fairy tale guidance. So, it is Puss in Boots, Wit. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So this card just stands for that being really skilled and talented and using our situation wisely to make it as a great opportunity, to turn it into a great opportunity for us. So this card stands for that cleverness, charm, and intelligence to handle any situation wisely and make it go as we had wished. And we should not forget the blessings we have in our life. It may be material possessions we have, and most important of them all is that the people we have in our life, our friends and family. So we need to be really have that humility, gratitude towards the blessings that we have received from the universe, guys, today. And in whatever way we can use our skills and talents to make these opportunities benefit us, we must be able to do that. We must be really skilled and use our experience and intelligence to make things work for us, make things benefit us in our life today, guys. It may be in our career or it may be in our personal life. So that is the energy with this card. And this card also stands for success. So you are seeing success in your personal life or in your career situation today, guys, Sagittarius, or success is reaching you very soon. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.